Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to show unhide caller ID on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you want to unhide or hide caller ID on iPhone, open your iPhone settings and then tap my tap phone and then tap my show my caller ID, set show my caller ID on, so I'll color it on green. So go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till I find the phone, click on it, right? And basically, if you want to see or hide and unhide right here unknown colors, or color ID right here, click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to color it green or color it gray, and you're gonna be able right here to see that I've already tried if I already did colored it with green. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.